Alright, good morning. I'm back today. I am just tidying up the kitchen. I had created a couple of dishes last night, so I wanted to get those cleaned up and wanted to have like a clean slate because I am about to do my kitchen. I'm about to roll out my kitchen. I got some stuff yesterday at Home Goods and Target. I'll show you guys like a mini haul of that stuff. But I also went ahead and did my storage area. I did not finish, but I did unpack a lot of my room neutral decor. So I pulled a couple pieces from there upstairs, but I wanted to show you guys where I'm at with my storage room. So let's take a peek. All right, so this is my storage room. I'm trying to go through this stuff, get this unpacked. So I started yesterday. These were the boxes that I finished. So right now, this is like the access stuff that we have, the cleaning supplies, and personal care items that we have. Over here, it's going to be like access, like food stuff, clearly like Ziplocs, foil, ketchup, things like that. I am doing my home decor. It's not cleaned up or organized like I wanted to be, but I was like pulling out my different things yesterday and just placing them here. So I have some vases, I have some bowls, some other like decor items that I can place around my house, clocks and stems and plants. So I just am pulling things that I do have around the house, seeing what I need. But yeah, I started, still a lot to go, as you can tell, but I am gonna get this all nice and cleaned up. And when I am done, I will show you guys. Probably won't be this video, but I will show you guys the finished storage room when I'm done organizing. All right, so I'm back upstairs and I wanted to give you guys a mini haul of the items that either I brung up from upstairs or I picked up at like Home Goods, Target, stores like that. So I'm gonna put my camera around to show you guys. All right, I just laid it on the floor because I was trying to just keep everything off the counters so I can know what I have and still have like my clean base to start with. So here are the items that I've collected from my kitchen. I'm sure I'll probably need more, but we'll see. You know, I am simple and I like to keep everything nice and neat and simple. So maybe I won't need additional things, but we'll see, like I said. So the first item I got was this tray cutting board from Target. Of course, I had to get a candle. And then I got these wooden spoons a while back. Of course, I got one of these, just a decorative piece. Got some towels and an oil dispenser, vinegar dispenser. Got some stems right here. Thought these were cute. I know I mentioned this stand in one of my videos. I went back and got the cutting board that goes with the stand. I snagged these amber cups. Thought those were really cute. This vase I snagged as well. That vase also. And then you guys seen these wooden trays, pedestal trays already. And also my salt canister that I had. I also picked this one up yesterday and I'm going to put my pepper in that one. Thought that was cute, so I got that. I also have this bowl and this beaded garland. And then I went ahead and I'm going to step over here so you guys can see. I got these canisters from Target. And then just a couple of cookbooks and another cutting board. So those are the pieces that I have so far, and I'm about to roll that out in my kitchen.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright, new day. I am at Home Depot. Finally, I have made it to Home Depot to get my son's fan for his room. So the fan is this one right there. We actually have this fan in our master bedroom, so we want to make it unified and put this also in his bedroom. So this is the fan right here. Home Decorators. Nice, sleek, modern fan. So I'm about to pick this up now. Alright, so I'm back at home. I just taped Parker's wall for the scoreboard. I'm about to paint that black. Meanwhile, Mike is about to mount his TV on this wall. And we also, like y'all seen, picked up the fan. So we're going to get that hung up too. So I'm about to just time lapse this so you guys can see that. Alright guys, so it is a couple days later and I just wanted to fill you in on where we left off in Parker's room just to kind of wrap up this video. So I'm going to turn my camera around and show you guys. Alright, so we finished the numbers and the ticks on Parker's wall and I am obsessed with it, guys. I think it looks so good. My vision is coming together. And I'm going to just bring you over here so you guys can see it. Mind you, his room is not complete yet. Still have to put together his desk, still have to decorate, so I'm definitely going to do a decorate his room video soon. But on this wall here is the scoreboard. So if you look, here is the scoreboard wall. So stinking cute. I really cannot wait to decorate it all. So like I said, we put his TV up, we put his ceiling fan up, and we did some adjustments to the closet. So in his closet, I painted around his dresser. And like I said, this stuff, I gotta clean it out. I gotta really get it together. This is still under construction for my baby, but we just updated it and we put some cute decals up there on his wall. And that is how we updated the closet. So all in all, this room is still not 100% complete, but we are tracking along. I cannot wait to do a decorate my son's bedroom with me. So that should be coming out soon. Until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll talk to you later. Bye.